Greatness Capital presents Transform Your Passion into Profit with this easy recipe, Oprah Winfrey. Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to explore how to turn your passion into a profitable business, using the advice of one of the most successful businesswomen in the world, Oprah Winfrey. Many people dream of making a living doing something they love, but struggle to turn that passion into a sustainable income. This is why today's topic is so important. We will delve into Oprah's recipe for success and share with you some valuable insights on how to transform your passion into profit. In her book, The Path Made Clear, Oprah highlights several key principles for turning passion into profit. These principles include finding your passion, staying true to your values, building a community, and keeping learning and growing. By following these principles, you can create a fulfilling and profitable business doing what you love. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your passion to the next level, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is Oprah's recipe for turning passion into profit? Oprah Winfrey is a well-known media personality, philanthropist, and successful businesswoman. Over the years, she has shared her recipe for turning passion into profit many times. And it all boils down to a few key principles. The first principle is to find your passion. Oprah believes that in order to turn your passion into profit, you need to identify what it is that you love to do. This requires self-reflection and introspection to identify the activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. The second principle is to stay true to your values. Oprah emphasizes the importance of aligning your business with your personal values. This means being authentic and transparent in your actions, and always considering the impact of your business on others and the environment. The third principle is to build a community. Oprah believes that building a community around your passion is essential for success. This means finding like-minded individuals who share your passion and creating a supportive network of individuals who can help you grow and develop your business. The fourth and final principle is to keep learning and growing. Oprah emphasizes the importance of continuing to learn and grow throughout your business journey. This means seeking out new opportunities, taking courses, attending conferences, and seeking mentorship to stay ahead of the curve and continuously improve. Oprah's recipe for turning passion into profit can be broken down into four key principles: finding your passion, staying true to your values, building a community, and keeping learning and growing. By following these principles, you can create a fulfilling and profitable business doing what you love. Find your passion. The first step to turning your passion into profit is to identify what that passion is. This may seem obvious, but it's an essential first step that can be difficult for many people. To figure out what you love to do, start by thinking about what you spend your free time on. What hobbies or interests do you have? What do you do when you're not at work or fulfilling other obligations? Reflecting on these questions can help you identify what you're truly passionate about. Another helpful tip is to consider what comes naturally to you. What are your strengths and talents? What do people compliment you on or seek your advice on? Often, our passions are tied to the things that come most easily to us. It's important to note that your passion doesn't have to be something that's traditionally seen as a career. Many people have turned their hobbies or interests into successful businesses. For example, a chef who started their own restaurant, a writer who self-publishes their own books, or a musician who sells their music online. There are also many examples of people who have built successful businesses by following their passion. For example, Marie Forleo turned her love of coaching and personal development into a multi-million-dollar business. Sarah Blakely turned her passion for shapewear into a billion-dollar company, Spanx. And of course, Oprah Winfrey herself built a media empire around her passion for storytelling and empowering others. Finding your passion is the first step to turning it into a profitable business. Take some time to reflect on your hobbies, interests, and talents, and consider examples of others who have turned their passion into a successful business. With this foundation in place, you can move forward with the next steps in Oprah's recipe for success. If you are enjoying this video, Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so we can keep making them, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. Stay true to your values. When building a business, it's important to stay true to your values. If you don't, you risk feeling unfulfilled or burned out, and your business may not have the impact you want it to. So, what are your values? Values are the principles or beliefs that guide your actions and decisions. Some examples of values that might be important to consider when building a business include honesty, sustainability, or social responsibility. Staying true to your values can also help you attract customers who share those values. For example, if sustainability is important to you, you might choose to use eco-friendly materials in your products and promote your business as environmentally friendly. This can attract customers who also prioritize sustainability and create a more meaningful connection with them. In addition, staying true to your values can create a more fulfilling and purposeful business for you. When your values are aligned with your business, you'll feel more motivated and invested in your work, and you'll be more likely to enjoy the process of building your business. Some successful businesses that prioritize their values include Patagonia, which promotes sustainability and ethical labor practices, and Ben & Jerry's, which prioritizes social responsibility and activism. Staying true to your values is an important aspect of turning your passion into a profitable business. Consider what values are most important to you and how you can incorporate them into your business. Doing so can help you attract customers who share those values and create a more meaningful and fulfilling business for yourself. Build a community. Building a community around your passion is crucial for success. A community can provide support, feedback, and help you spread the word about your business. So, how do you build a community? There are many ways to get started. You could start a blog or create social media accounts to share your passion and connect with others who share it. You could attend events related to your passion, such as conferences or meetups, to network and connect with others. You could also offer classes or workshops to share your knowledge and expertise. Building a community can also help you improve your business. Your community can provide feedback on your products or services, helping you to refine and improve them. They can also help you spread the word about your business, bringing in new customers and increasing your visibility. One example of a successful business that has built a strong community is CrossFit. CrossFit has created a community of like-minded individuals who support and motivate each other to reach their fitness goals. This sense of community has helped to build a loyal customer base and a thriving business. Building a community is an essential step in turning your passion into a profitable business. There are many ways to get started, such as starting a blog or attending events related to your passion. Your community can provide support, feedback, and help you improve your business. With a strong community behind you, you'll be well on your way to success. Keep learning and growing. No matter how successful your business becomes, there's always room for improvement. That's why it's important to keep learning and growing. So, how can you continue to learn and grow? There are many ways to do so. You could take courses or attend conferences related to your industry to stay up to date on the latest trends and techniques. You could seek out mentorship from someone who has more experience than you, and learn from their insights and expertise. You could also read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos related to your passion to continue learning and expanding your knowledge. Continuing to learn and grow can help you stay ahead of the curve and create new opportunities for your business. It can also help you keep your passion alive by giving you new challenges and ideas to explore. One example of a successful entrepreneur who has embraced the idea of continuous learning and growth is Elon Musk. Musk is constantly seeking out new knowledge and ideas to apply to his businesses, and is known for his voracious reading habits. This dedication to learning and growth has helped him to create some of the most innovative and successful companies in the world. Keeping your passion alive and staying successful requires a commitment to continuous learning and growth. There are many ways to do so, such as taking courses, seeking out mentorship, and staying up to date on industry trends. By continuing to learn and grow, you'll stay ahead of the curve and create new opportunities for your business. So, to recap, turning your passion into profit requires finding your passion, staying true to your values, building a community, and continuing to learn and grow. By following these principles, you can build a successful business doing something you love. If you haven't already, take some time to identify your passion and start building a community around it. Stay true to your values and keep learning and growing, and you'll be on your way to turning your passion into a profitable business. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and advice on building a successful business. Also, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your own tips for turning passion into profit. Check out this video on your right screen to discover wealth creation tips and read the description below for insights. Take action now to enhance your knowledge on this topic. See you in the next video.